Hi guys, welcome back to Great Bites. Today we are gonna make apple honey dosa, which is both a unique and also a healthy dish. The recipe is here. First of all, take one apple and then peel off its skin. After peeling off the skin, the apple will be chopped into small pieces. After chopping the apple should be transferred into jar. After that, add some milk and grind it into a thick paste. Then take a bowl, add half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar and also 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, or you can use wheat flour. Then add half tablespoon of cardamom powder. Paste into this mix. Then add the water. After that, mix the batter into dosa consistency. Make sure to avoid lump sums in the batter. Properly so there is no lump sums left over. If you need apple pieces, please put in, so it will be more delicious. After that, add milk into it and mix it again properly with one whisk or a spoon. Then take one pan. Then pour the batter into it and spread like the dosa consistency. Time for this dish is basically from 5 to 6 minutes. Cook it in a medium flame. Recipe is over. It's on board on delicious and unique. So we can see next week. Bye bye guys. Please make sure to subscribe, share and like. See you next week.